The generally accepted accounting principle, GAAP. Let me talk to you about this first. So the generally accepted accounting principles, or GAAP, refer to a common set of accounting principles, standards, and procedures issued by the Financial Accounting Standard Board, that is FASB, and the public companies in the United States of America. They generally follow this accounting principle. These companies based from the United States follow GAAP when their accountants comply their financial statements. GAAP is a combination of authoritative standards, which is set by the FASB, and the commonly accepted ways of recording and reporting accounting information. GAAP aims to improve the clarity, consistency, and comparability of the communications of financial information. So, GAAP may be contrasted with the pro forma accounting, which is non-GAAP financial reporting method. Intentionally or internationally, the equivalent to GAAP in the United States is referred to as IFRS, which is known as the International Financial Reporting Standards. IFRS is followed in around 120 countries worldwide, including those in the European Union. So one thing here we need to note is the GAAP is followed strictly in the United States, while IFRS is followed only in the rest of the world, around 120 countries. So let us understand GAAP a little more. GAAP helps govern the world of accounting according to the general rules and guidelines. It attempts to standardize and regulate the definitions, assumptions, and methods used in accounting across all industries. GAAP covers such topics such as revenue recognition, balance sheet classification, and materiality. The ultimate goal of GAAP is to ensure companies' financial statements are complete, consistent, and comparable. This makes it easier for investors to analyze and extract useful information from the company's financial statements, including trend data over a period of time. It also facilitates the comparison of financial information across different countries. So this was about GAAP. Now let me talk to you about IFRS, or the International Financial Reporting Standards. The IFRS sets a common rules so that financial statements can be consistent, transparent, and comparable across the world. Like GAAP was focused only on US, IFRS is for the rest of the world. IFRS are issued by the International Accounting Standards Board, IASB, where they specify how companies must maintain and report their accounts, defining types of transactions and other events with financial impact. So IFRS were established to create a common accounting language so that businesses and their financial statements can be consistent and reliable from company to company and country to country. So let's understand IFRS a bit more. IFRS are designed to bring consistency to accounting language, practices, and statements, and to help businesses and investors make educated financial analysis and decisions. The IFRS Foundation sets these standards to bring transparency, accountability, and efficiency to financial markets around the world, fostering trust, growth, and long-term financial stability in the global economy. Companies benefit from the IFRS because investors are more likely to put money into a company if a company's business practices are transparent, which the IFRS helps in making.